because if you study humor or comedy, comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language.
And said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career casket.
You having to listen to those goddamn answers?
A is an apple. T is... Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Fish. Again. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Hey, boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
I've been in television for 30 years.
Listen, I want to blow this up on Instagram. Listen, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show, yo.
You know what I mean? So cool. You have any... What's so funny?
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before? Was it easier having...
Humor or comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language. There are a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So humor is predicated on linguistics. So linguistics is one of my primary infatuation because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.